body's aching all the time.
I love how as she drove that forward, body's aching all, so the same up at the top, same note at the top.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat berjumpa kembali di channel Suport Musikal. Apa kabar semuanya? Semoga semua dalam keadaan baik dan sehat selalu. Oke guys, di video kali ini kita akan melihat seorang guru vokal senior yang kewalahan saat menirukan teknik vokal dari Putri Ariani ya guys ya. Oke, seperti apakah keseruan dari reaksinya? Langsung saja kita gaskan.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer Glatsofer, but you can call me Jen. I'm a singer and a voice teacher. And first of all, I hope you've all had a wonderful Christmas. Today I will be looking at Putri Ariani's cover of Bohemian Rhapsody, and as always, this is a reaction and an analysis video, so let's get to Putri Ariani.
Anyway, the wind blows doesn't really matter to me.
Oh, let's just talk about this entrance real quick. I love, so obviously the performances that I've seen from Putri has been on America's Got Talent. Is that the show? Yes, America's Got Talent. I've reacted to most of her performances, not all. I think there was one maybe I didn't, or a few. But yeah, nice.
Mama,
Ooh.
just kill a man, put a gun against his head, put my trigger, now he's dead.
Oh, I love that kind of broken feel towards the end. Dead. We get a little kind of a slight croak, not too croaky, but just kind of like a waver of the tone, and that breath kind of seeps through as well. I love the phrasing, and I like the option up of that note. My trigger now, and it kind of just keeps that piece moving.
Mama,
And that moan.
just kill a man, put a gun against his head, put my trigger, now he's dead.
Oh, so good.
Mama, life had just begun.
Oh, listen to that. Just so much breath, and then begun. When we drop down here, we get a lovely full connected sound. So I love that we're playing with different vocal fold efficiency. We, you know, sometimes we get very clear connected full vocal fold closure, and other times we're allowing that breath to come through. So it's nice that we're getting it. It just keeps a piece interesting. Mama, we get a little bit of a riff down.
Sangat detail sekali guys ya.
Life had just begun, but now I'm gonna throw it all away.
Yeah, now I've gone. Such lovely connected. We get a full sound up here. Away, slight tilt right at the bottom. It just creates this really lovely dark feel. This can be a lowered larynx, or also the tongue being pulled back. Away, just so that any, you know, we've shifted the energy from being quite forward to then like sunken back.
Thrown it all away.
And then brightens up as well. Ooh.
Didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time,
Cover Putri yang satu ini memang sangat beda dari yang lainnya guys ya.
Nice. I love how this full section, until we get to these last kind of, again, she's playing around with different sort of melodies here to the original, but it's kept very full vocal fold closure. We are very chest dominant. We're making sure that that connection is carried on throughout the phrase, which is really, really lovely. Nice.
If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on.
I love that as well. Tomorrow, there's a slight cry on carry on. So I love that emotion, but also resistance in the vocal.
This time tomorrow, carry on, carry on.
Oh, that breath in there.
Nadanya penuh emosional ya guys ya.
getting that little bit croak at the end. Nice. Oh, so we're getting that on the piano now. Nice.
Too late. My time has come.
Oh, I feel like we're going to get some differences in this section. So yeah, it's nice that she's really making it her own. We've returned back to that breathy quality within the vocal folds. Again, just creating light and shade wherever she can.
Too late. My time has come.
Sangat halus sekali ya guys ya.
Shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time.
I love how as she drove that forward, body's aching all. So the same up at the top, same note at the top as we had. Pull my trigger now, but a lot softer before. We are also dynamically getting louder through that passage, which just drives that energy forward, which is great.
Body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody.
Oh, I'm sorry, everybody. That was so fast.
Goodbye,
Sampai kewalahan tadi ya guys ya.
I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind and face the truth.
Yes, the truth. I love like those throwaways there. Leave it all behind. I love this dark feel and adding that vibrato. It kind of brings this lovely round, darker feel to the song, which is really nice. And that cry again.
Gotta leave you all behind
Yeah.
and face the truth. Mama.
That chord. She's maintaining a thick connection on this ooh as well. I just want to say before we hear it. And there's a crescendo. We're crescendoing into the next phrase, but ooh, she's keeping hold of that thicker fold connection by just opening this ooh to a kind of valve.
Sangat teliti sekali ya guys ya.
Mama.
That cry at the end.
I don't wanna die.
Oh wait, sorry, just listen to that. So yeah, there's a cry at the end of that ooh, and then ha ha. There's a aspirate onset on I rather than ah, which kind of earlier. How does it start? What's the first lyric? Cry.
I don't wanna die. Sometimes wish I'd never been born at all.
Oh, E5 up there, really, really lovely. I love that ascent, how we maintained that thicker fold connection. Such a chest dominant mix up there as well. So glorious. Lovely open A vowel. And I think she sets it off really nicely on ba-da-da, and then she goes off. Born, but this born, we've got this ah placement in there as well, and that's what she's taking off. That's what she's using, holding onto the A vowel and to ascend wherever she wants to go.
Sometimes wish I'd never been born at all. Oh, baby.
Oh.
Can't do this to me, baby.
Endingnya sangat halus sekali ya guys ya.
Just gotta get right out of here.
Can you imagine she just like gets out the bam, bam, bam. I'm kidding. But yeah, so I love such a great choice to just pull it all back, really breathy in this little section. Here.
Out of here.
Here. I love how she opens up to here as well. Again, just creates a darker sound. Here would have been weird. Here just allows that tongue to drop down and land on that note.
Out, just gotta get right out of here. Nothing really matters. Anyone can see.
Oh, before we get on to this ending, this part feels so different. It's so broken. Nothing really matters. Like even the spaces between the small little spaces between the words are even broken as well. Matter, and then that at the end, the matters as well is broken as well. It's like there's gaps.
Nothing really matters. Anyone can see. Nothing really matters.
Oh, nice whisper.
Nothing really matters to me.
I like she's playing the piano as well, the keyboard. You know, it's a full-on conversation between her and the keyboard, just like balancing that out. I love there was so lovely. What a stunning performance. I mean, every time we've watched a performance of Putri Ariani over here on my channel, it's so stripped back because obviously it's just her voice and the piano. It just brings so much emotion and it's so vulnerable because we can just hit everything that her voice does, and it's just such a joy. Like, what a voice. Well, thank you very much for watching this reaction and analysis video. If you did enjoy it, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, the bell button, and the thumbs up button, and I will see you very soon for another video.
Oke guys, demikianlah tadi video reaksi dari guru vokal asal luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan sampai bertemu kembali di video selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.